could tell that they love my style. In the club, we always bring a crowd. Leave your girl, she might be a while. I can see you in the corner staring, motherfucker. You should take a photo. Oh no, I'm about to go, yo. Shorty dropping low to pick it up, she like a yo-yo. And I'm getting so much action, I should be sponsored by GoPro. Back with a little more Hennessy inside of my red Solo. And I'm that crazy, man, I'm back. Baby, everybody in the club say this track wavy, I get stacks daily, man, these G's don't faze me. I was about to catch a body, but the DJ saved me, man. I could tell that they love my style. Okay. In the club, we always bring a crowd. Okay. Leave your girl, she might be a while. Okay. I can see you in the corner staring, motherfucker. You should take a photo. Photo. I swear it'll last longer if you take a photo. Photo. I swear it'll last longer if you take a photo. Oh no, me ain't got no ego, but someone always taking flicks and shit wherever we go. These motherfucking cameras on me like I'm Don Cheeto. Limo full of white girls, I call that shit a kilo. They A-class with them B-cups and all they carry is C-notes. That model type did make a fake nigga wanna be me, amigo. So welcome out to my town, you can swim and you can get drowned. Shit, I'm steady walking on clouds, you should take a picture right now. I can tell that they love my style. Okay. In the club, we always bring a crowd. Okay. Leave your girl, she might be a while. Okay. I can see you in the corner staring, motherfucker. You should take a photo. Photo. I swear it'll last longer if you take a photo. Photo. I swear it'll last longer if you take a photo. Let me show them how to get it. I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back with a little bit of rap and a little more bass inside of that Cadillac. That shit slapped like a crazy ex in the middle of the club, but she hates your guts, but she wants you back. Damn, you wildin', baby girl, but shit, you fine. You can sit on my lap, okay. Now I'm driving with a girl in my lap, and I'm swerving all over the map, and I'm turning heads everywhere I go like Tracy Morgan in a Walmart hat. Too soon, I know, but I crashed the whip, so with a golf cart at. Cause if I'm not the greatest, then I'm somewhere in a ballpark, man. Let's tell that they love my style. Okay.